everybody, welcome back to the home of Cookbook Kitchen, and today we are cooking from the Plum Paradox Cookbook by Dr. Gandry, and we are making a lectin-free version of a classic Spanish dish. We are going to make a Spanish omelette, and it is called Tortilla Espanola, and if the pronunciation is wrong, I'm sorry in advance. And this version is going to be a lectin-free version, and it is perfect for breakfast, brunch, or any snack time. So let's see what we are working with so that we can begin. I have some eggs, I have some salt, some paprika, and some black pepper, a sweet potato, some onions, some parsley, and some spinach. I want to slice my sweet potato, but before I slice, I'm going to peel mine. So I'll add my olive oil and put the onion and the sweet potato. So we are going to let them cook while we stir occasionally for around 8 to 10 minutes. The next thing we're going to add is the spinach. We're going to cook it for around 2 minutes. I have the spices and the parsley, and I don't see in the recipe where I'm supposed to put them unless I'm the one who's so tired that I can't see. But I've gone through it and I can't see. So I'll put them here. I'll put the spices and the salt in the egg mixture. This is where I'll put my spice mixture. Eggs. Then we cook them for 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to put it in the oven for around 5 to 7 minutes, and then it will be ready. Our omelette is ready, so let's taste it and see the smell in this kitchen. It smells really nice. My kitchen smells really nice. This recipe is at 100%. 100%. See you for today, guys. Let me get a cup of coffee and enjoy my omelette. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye and God bless. Don't forget, the recipe is from the Plum Paradox Cookbook by Dr. Gandry, and this is a lectin-free Spanish omelette. Get the book, try out the recipe, and let me know in the comment section what you think about it and which other recipe you want me to try out for you. Bye bye.